Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the product key and administrative access. This saves time. Open Settings, go to System then Activation, and make sure you are online. Once there, click Change Product Key or Add a Product Key and prepare to enter the 25-character key exactly as provided. You do this now so Windows can contact Microsoft servers immediately. If you are offline, activation may fail and require later revalidation. You'll type the 25-character key into the dialog. Make sure letters and numbers are exact because O and 0 differ. Once you click Next, Windows attempts activation. If a digital license exists on your Microsoft account, it links automatically. If activation fails, the error code displays. Write it down. You can retry after correcting typos, reconnecting to the internet, or running Activation Troubleshooter from the same page to diagnose common issues without calling support. Once Windows reports Windows is activated, you're done. Verify the addition matches your key so features align. Make sure you link a Microsoft account under Settings so hardware changes won't break activation later. If activation still fails after correct key entry, run the Activation Troubleshooter and sign in with the account that holds the digital license. This resolves most mismatches. If that does not work, note the error code and contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.